Glamnetic is a viral magnetic lash brand known for its ease of application and glamorous transformative powers. For instance, back before I started using Glamnetic lashes, I said this: I don't own any real diamonds. And now, wouldn't you know it, since wearing Glamnetic lashes, I am now in possession of 17 diamonds.
Disclaimer, I cannot guarantee that you will come across diamonds upon using Glamnetic lashes. However, I also cannot say with 100% certainty that you won't.
Glamnetic offers 50 plus lashes to choose from. And no, I don't mean lashes made exclusively for those of us who are aged 50 plus, though they will work on 50-year-olds. I mean they have over 50 styles to choose from. How about we try on a few?
Now let me explain to you how it works real quick. It's very simple. We're going to go in first with our magnetic liner. Now you're going to apply this just like you would a regular liner, remembering that it's always good to use a one-liner while applying your liner. This morning I woke up and couldn't remember which side the sun rises on. Then it dawned on me. I wouldn't say it had to be a good one-liner. And you can use this liner to magnetize the lashes too, or just wear on its own. Now I'm going to take my current favorite lashes, the OMG lash.
Peel the lashes from the case, and before applying, be sure to remove these cute little anchors. Bring the lashes down as close to the lash line as possible and let the magnets do their job. Warning, no matter how many times you do this, you may be shocked and excited every time.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was so quick you probably missed it. Let me try to do it slower. Oops, it's just too quick and easy. Before, after. These Virgo lashes definitely win the award for most natural looking. These lashes are called IDC, which I think probably stands for I drink cake, or maybe ink dries cold.
That's the beauty of these letter-titled lashes. You get to decide what they mean to you.
These ones are called OMW, which could stand for Oh Mark William, which is my dad's name.
For extra double extreme hold, you can apply these included lash anchors at the bottom of your lashes.
They are so secure that now I'm just hurting myself.
But if for some strange reason you'd ever like to remove them, peel them off starting at the edge and it won't hurt a bit. Then pop them right back onto that stylish reusable magnetic lash case. And don't forget about all of those colorful Glamnetic liners, which offer an equally strong hold.
Glamnetic's liner is latex-free and paraben-free.
Oh, that's wonderful.
It's also lead-free, cyanide-free, and kryptonite-free.
Aren't most things these days?
Maybe, but it's still worth mentioning.
Oh, I guess that's nice. I don't really like lead.
But my absolute favorite thing about Glamnetic liner is how incredibly waterproof it is.
Waterproof, huh?
Yeah, want to test it?
I don't really swim. I was just born 12 seconds ago.
Let's go!
Wow.
Yeah, so waterproof it could have survived the Titanic. Rose, never let go. I'm gonna have to let go, Jack. But these lashes never will.
But wait, there's more. More? That's right, Glamnetic also offers nails. Nails? How perfect! I've been meaning to find a way to hang this up. Not those nails, silly. These. And these. And these. Oh, even better.
These press-on nails are far less damaging than the acrylic manicure you'll get at a salon. They take less time, and since you'll be staying at home, you can watch your favorite movie while applying them.
Hey guys, it's Anne, CEO of Glamnetic. Click the link to shop now.